Hi, we are going to see how to build an ether and how to name it. Okay, so we are going first of all to begin with the molecule of water. The molecule of water, you know, it has two hydrogens, and when we substitute one of the hydrogens with an hydrocarbon chain, like for example this one, what we have is an alcohol. An alcohol in which an OH group is bonded to the hydrocarbon chain. But what happens if we add to this methyl group another one on the other end of the molecule? So now both hydrogens of the water molecule have been replaced by methyl groups, and that is what we call an ether. Okay, to name that, because we have two methyl groups, what we do is to add a D, and we call it D-methyl ether. Okay, if instead of using methyl groups, what we had were, for example, ethyl groups, that is, made with two carbon atoms, one here and another one here, we would do the same. We are having now a compound. Okay, let me just make sure that it is properly . What we have here is an ether because it has one oxygen in the middle and two hydrocarbon chains, each one substituting the corresponding hydrogens of the water molecule. And we have done it with an ethyl group here and with another ethyl group here as well. Okay, now we can see it very well. Again, what is the name that we're going to give to this compound? Because it has two ethyl groups, we will call it ethyl ether, but because it's two of them, we're going to add a D particle to make sure that we understand that we're having one oxygen with one ethyl group here and another one here. And what happens if we are having not two ethyl groups? We are having still an ether here, but one of the groups is going to be replaced with a different one. Okay, for example, this one. Yep. Now what we have is a methyl group here and an ethyl group here on the other side. So we are going to make the name of the ether using the ethyl and the methyl group that we had. In what order? Very easy. We're going to do it in alphabetical order. Therefore, this is going to be the name of our compound. Finally, it's going to be the ethyl methyl ether. Thank you.